You need to hear this if you're a crypto enthusiast. Is CoinStats really safe, or are we all just playing with fire? So, you've got your shiny digital coins and you're wondering if CoinStats is the right place to keep track of them. Let's break it down. CoinStats is like the Swiss Army knife of crypto apps. It's got portfolio tracking, news feeds, and even a built-in wallet. But how safe is it? First off, CoinStats uses military-grade encryption. That's right, the same kind of security Uncle Sam uses. And if that doesn't impress you, they've got two-factor authentication because 1Password is so 2010. But wait, there's more. CoinStats also offers cold storage options. Think of it like putting your crypto in a high-tech freezer, safe from hackers, but still easily accessible when you need it. Bottom line, CoinStats is about as safe as a digital fortress. So breathe easy and keep on trading. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to try CoinStats for yourself. Be sure to hit that like button if this helped you sleep better at night. Catch you later, Coin Masters.